this is Jamni Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series where we're gonna see how to toggle a website from a light mode to a darker mode. And this video is divided into two parts. This is the first part of the video where we're gonna see how to design the website in a light mode, and you will find the second part here on the above where you will see how to toggle it to the dark mode. So my friends, if you are a beginner and you want to learn web development by doing projects, I suggest you to check my other videos in this channel, which will definitely help you out to learn and do some projects in the web development. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly jump into the code. Here I have my HTML boilerplate ready. I will write one class with name hero for the hero section. And then we will write a nav tag. And inside that nav tag, we will put one logo. My simple logo which I have taken from the Google. And if you are making your own portfolio, you can also add your own logo over there. And we will also give it a width and height. And after that, we will write one UL tag, and inside it we will write all our LIs. So my friends, we are done with the HTML, and let's see how to do styling of this. So as usual, I'm gonna write margin 0 and padding 0. This is one trick to make your website responsive, that putting height as 100 viewport and width as 100%. We will give it one background, font and position as relative. Then we will target our nav. And here you will see that below the logo we have our nav, right? So to bring them in the line, we will say display flex, align item center, and justify content space between. So they are in a line, but still our navigation menus are not in a line. So to bring them in a line, we will say display inline block. Let's style now to remove those bullets, and also we'll give some margin, and we can still see that underline. So we will target our anchor tag and we will say that text decoration none. The color should be different. So for that we will say the original color should be little grayish. So whenever somebody will hover over it, it should look different. Now we'll come back to the HTML and we will write one class called as info below our nav tag, and inside that we will write one h1 and a p tag, and also anchor tag which is called as download CV. And inside this href, if you really want to add your CV's link, you can add it inside href. It's time to style it. Make your name stand out, we will put one span tag around the name Jake, and then we will style it. Now we will style our button. Now we will put our images. We will put one blob, and you can find it in any blobs website. Here I have used this. You have to just download its SVG and put it inside our class called as image in HTML, and below that you will put your image or any person's image. Like this I have put here. Now you will see they are very at the bottom, and we have to style it accordingly. Positioning is very important here, my friends, to position it properly, and which will help you to put that blob behind and your image in front. So my friends, the design for light mode is ready. Isn't it cool? I found it really cool. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and also check the second part as well, where we actually gonna toggle it from light mode to dark mode. So good evening, my friends.